Okay, this is the third presentation for the evaluation and design of educational software, and I'm going to evaluate this website, which is called either C-ville or Own Your C. I'm not quite sure what it's called. In fact, I'm not quite sure what it's about, and this is one of its main faults, the fact that it's not obvious. I'm going to use the same assessment criteria from Wilson et al. From raising the bar for instructional outcomes. That is that e-learning should be effective, efficient, engaging, good as in just, and transformative. And I'll also make reference to Michael Allen's The Essence of Good Design. Alright, first of all here, this is quite clear. This shows a good understanding of accessibility issues. We've got dial-up or broadband options here, although the layman might be confused by the term XHTML, and flash goodness is not brilliantly descriptive. But we'll have a look at the flash side. Okay, I've got a clear loading screen here. I know what's happening. This is fine. And this is where the problems start, okay, apart from the music, which I've managed to mute. What is going on? What is happening here? We've got this very, very busy page here. Not quite sure what's going on. There's all sorts of things going on. There's a rabbit spinning around here. There's a flower spinning around. There's... Oh, what's that? What's the point of this? My coin account. Not quite sure what that is. Maybe there's a help file there. That might help. Not really sure what's going on here. Not sure what all this is about. Seems to be only possibly areas that are clickable. Not sure. Let's just click on this. This is going to open up another section, but there's only a few clues here about what it's for, as you'll see when it loads. Here we go. So, any ideas what it's for? Well, it's actually an anti-smoking section. There's a few clues here. There's the no smoking sign there, and then the words on the video here. But getting to the information is very difficult. It's got too much what Vincent Flanders would call mystery meat navigation. So we've got this pig here, not really sure what that's for. Got these cool things here. Let's just click on this one. Now what is this for? No idea. Doesn't seem to make any sense. Can't seem to move this lever. If I click there, what's it do? No idea. Completely pointless. And this is a major problem, that there's too much seemingly pointless stuff on the website, which is a shame. There is content here, but you do have to search for it. It's not a simple approach. Alan talks about minimizing effort and using a computer interface, and these seemingly random features do not minimize effort. Okay. Do have this go back at least, so I can get out of there. Let's have a look at this section. Okay, just loading. Alright, some more features that can't be described as efficient or effective, or to be honest, even having a point. I see there's something here, something clickable. I'm just going to open this up. You can see this is quite heavy to download. I mean, I'm on a very fast connection here, at about 100 megabits per second. I imagine in most places this would be pretty inaccessible. Okay, and well, what can I do here? I've got a hand for a cursor. Well, it's very pretty, and it just does nothing. So what, I ask you, is the point of that? So again, I mean, there might be good content under here. I have done a little bit of further research into this and can tell you it is about citizenship and making choices as a teenager. The target audience is teenagers. Well, there is some good content there, but one of the main problems being Flash, you can't deep link into it. So even if you could find the content, you couldn't send people straight to it, which again is not particularly effective. So what can you say? Well, It is possible that the intended target audience of teenagers may find this engaging, seeking out knowledge, clicking on things, trying to find out how things work. I suspect this would not be the case. I think they'd have got bored of this by now and gone on to something a bit more interesting. There seems to have been little user-centered thought put into this, and the designers have obviously got so far into the animation and artwork that they've forgotten all the other aspects of design, which is a shame, as there is a socially just and potentially transforming materials under this kaleidoscope of flash.